Okay, so we have some time, so let's start Shemoneh Esrei. Actually, it's not so much, so okay. Azman Tefillah for Shemoneh Esrei, 1 second, is 4 halachic hours into the day. So it's actually exactly as we said, what is the last? Shacharis, 4 hours into the day. There's Shemoneh Esrei, we said the most important prayer, is 4 hours into the day. The Mishnah Berurah writes that this means that one must finish reciting Shemoneh Esrei before the end of the 4th halachic hour. Not start and then continue. No. Finish before the 4th halachic hour. And that's what exactly what I just was explaining. So if you want to pray Mincha and Mariv together, so make sure that you finish Mincha before sunset. Right? Before sunset. Even 1 minute before sunset is also good. After the time, one has not done the Shemoneh Esrei, should still recite it, although her reward will not be as great. This expression applies only until Chatzos, 6 hours into the day. After that time, one is no longer permitted to recite Shemoneh Esrei of Shacharis. Okay, so as we said, for morning prayers, it's for everybody, even though we say that women are not obligated, okay, they're not obligated, but still they cannot do whatever they want also. So if she calls this prayer Shacharis, so she has to pray Shacharis. If she said that this prayer is Mincha, or whatever she prayed, so it must be also in a proper time, like after, like at least half an hour after the midday. That's when she can pray Mincha. But she cannot pray Shacharis after the midday. That's not acceptable. Okay. So as we said, she can skip completely and pray Shemoneh Esrei of Mincha. There is no problem whatsoever. Okay. So one more time. After that time. So we said after that at what time? So 4 hours, and if it was not up to her, whatever, under extraneous circumstances, we say after 6 hours, after the midday. If she did not finish or he did not finish before the midday. After that time, one who has passed, yet not yet down Shemoneh Esrei, should still recite it, although the reward will not be as great. So meaning it's a prayer like I don't know, like you bring somebody a gift like 1 month later. Okay, thank you. Right, birthday gift. This expression extension applies only until Chatzos. So from 4 hours, if somebody needs to pray, so it's if she wants to pray, reward not be as great. So the best reward, the complete reward up to 4 hours. If needed, up to 6 hours, but reward is not as great. This is just 1 second. After that time, one is no longer permitted to recite Shemoneh Esrei of Shacharis. Okay, so if she did not finish until the midday, Jewish midday, that's it. She should not pray at least for half an hour. And after half an hour, after 6.5 hours, right? So she can pray Mincha already. There is no problem. And as we said, she can say all of the three paragraphs of Shema, right? There is no problem. Of course, without the blessing, but 3 paragraphs she can say. And she can say Shemoneh Esrei of Mincha, no problem. Poskim write that a woman has more room for leniency to daven Shemoneh Esrei after the 4th hour, until Chatzos. So men only under like special circumstances. Poskim write for women, of course, there is a leniency until the 6th hour. Okay. Therefore, preferably she should recite Shemoneh Esrei before the 4th hour of the day. But if she's busy, she may certainly wait until after that time, until Chatzos, and her reward will be the same. I mean, if she has to, let's say she's a housewife, right? And she has to send her children out to school, and she has to prepare breakfast for her husband, this and that. Million and a half things. So, of course, poskim were very lenient and allow her to pray even after the fourth hour for the full reward, right? She should not lose because she does all of these things to keep the Jewish home running, and she would be punished. Does not make sense.